Hi, this is Carl Young, also known as Mr. Simplicity. Success in business depends upon our ability to control expenses and cash, as well as prevent fraud, waste, and misuse. And we can do this best by digital integration of accounts payables and accounts receivables. Here are some alarming facts that have been exacerbated by COVID-19. We've had to work from anywhere, and that's made control of expenses and cash much more difficult. You can see here some of the things that are happening in terms of fraudulent activity exacerbated by COVID-19. So we must have advancing technologies in order to control these expenses and cash. And we do this by uniting accounts payables and accounts receivables in a transactions-based processes. And that's what this webinar is all about. I take a look at 3 steps to control expenses and cash and prevent fraud, waste, and abuse. A is to create a technology platform for interactive integration of transactions. Step 2, we want to talk about the transition to transactions-based processes. And then we got to have robust internal controls to control all of this. All I'm saying is that work from anywhere we've had to do by COVID-19. That makes it far more difficult for us to control expenses and cash. So we have to be very diligent in the integration of and uniting of accounts payables and accounts receivables to put all of this stuff together so we can control it. And we need to control it on a transaction by transaction, interactive, real-time basis. And that's what this webinar is all about. And that's what these 3 steps are all about. So if this is of interest to you, you can get this webinar for a single attendee, $149, 2 to 10 attendees, $119. Very affordable pricing. Contact me at this email address or send me a text at this mobile phone number, or go to my website, as you can see below, and get details of this webinar as well as register. And let's see if we can set this up to provide to you on demand based upon your timing and your schedule. I look forward to hearing from you and see if we can help you to improve expense and cash management and to prevent waste, fraud, and abuse by this digital integration of accounts payable and accounts receivable. Thank you very, very much for your time and attention. And I look forward to hearing from you in the very near future. Thank you so much.